As we get closer and closer to opening the mercantile, I've been spending more time there. I've got to go in today and get a bunch of stuff done, so I'm going to take lunch with me. That way I won't have to stop and go get a burger. I'm making a salmon and veggie grain bowl. Really great flavor, light and delicious. I'm going to get the salmon cooking now. I've just got a little oil in a skillet. While the salmon keeps cooking, I'm going to drain the grain. I'm using farro, which is such a delicious, nutty grain. I don't use it very often, but it's perfect for a bowl like this with veggies and salmon. It has a really great texture. It's a little bit chewy. Now I want to rinse it to stop the cooking process. This is going to be a cold salad, so I want to stop it in its tracks, and that way the texture is just perfect. Okay, I'm going to check the salmon. I think it's time to turn. I'm going to make a super simple dressing for the veggie grain bowl. I'll start with a little olive oil. I've got a lemon, and I'll zest a little bit of it. And then I'll cut the lemon in half and squeeze in half the juice. Now, I had a shallot in my fridge, so I'm going to use it. Okay, sprinkle in some salt and pepper. This is a very shallot-y dressing. Now, I'll take the other half of the lemon and squeeze it right over this sizzly salmon. I always like to have a little bit of citrus when I cook salmon. It's a perfect flavor combination. Now, I've got some veggies for the veggie grain bowl. And this is one of those things where you just kind of open your veggie drawer and see what you have and use what you want. I've got some radishes, which I thought would be really lovely. And I'm just slicing some sugar snap peas. I've also got an avocado. Now for the salmon, I just need to break it up into chunks. Look how luscious and tender that is. I'll grab some of the farro. Now I've got to lay all of this wonderfulness on top, starting with the salmon. Sugar snap peas, nice and crunchy, the sliced radishes, and I'll take the avocado slices, put them around the edge. How delightful is this? The last thing is the dressing. I've got some fresh dill. Look at this bowl of beauty. Love it. Now I've got to get to town and get to work.